Hello coders. Welcome back to our another video of how to create to-do list app using HTML, CSS and JS. First now let's see the demo of our project. Our project benefit is that we can add more items in the list and also delete them whenever you want. For example, I have written way there that gained 50 subscribers at the end of April. So now let's get started with our project. We need to make 3 files named as first index, HTML, second style.css and third main, JS. So now let's get started with our project part index, HTML. So just see the code which I am writing and write in your project. If you want the explanation of the codes you can comment down below. I will make sure another video for the explanation part of this project. So now let's get started with style.css. So now let's get started with main, JS. So now let's run our project. You will get the download link of this project in description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till bye bye.